How to mount your license plate to the Smittybilt XRC front bumper. Hang on, I'm going to show you what I did. Hey everybody, Hill Country Prepper. Appreciate you guys checking out my videos. Thanks to all my subscribers. Appreciate the comments, keep them coming. Just want to say thanks for that. Let me show you what I did over here on my Jeep to get the license plate mounted. These Smittybilt XRC bumpers do not come with a license plate bracket from the factory. So what you've got to do, either hang it up with some steel wire or something, or you can do a modification like I did. Let's go take a look. Now this might look like it was designed to be this way, but it wasn't. This is something that I had to add. I had to get some parts together, and fortunately I had them laying around. But let me show you just exactly what I did to get this license plate mounted up there so I'm legal in the state of Texas. It wasn't hard. It took me maybe, I don't know, 15-20 minutes all in all. Let me show you what I did. Now the bumper does come with some brackets here. These are for mounting light bars. I'm assuming these down here also for light bars. But what I did is I took a 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch 14 gauge piece of angled steel, cut it to length, and then just got some machine bolts. I believe those are 7/16 by 1 inch. Mounted that angle bar up on there. Took some license plate bolts that I had laying around in my toolbox and just screwed that on there. And so what I've got is my license plate mounted. Now it's not secured at the bottom. I'm not too worried about that because it's pretty solid. I am going to look to maybe see if I can do a support here on the back, but at least for now I'm legal and I should be good to go. I may get some shorter machine bolts here. These are 1 inch, and I think I could probably get by with 1/2 inch or maybe 3/4 inch. But I'll pick some of those up when I get to the big box hardware store. Hey, if you guys find this information helpful, why don't you press down on that thumbs up and give me a like. And if you're not a subscriber yet, why not? Subscribe right now. And if you press on that notification bell, you get updated each and every time I upload some new content. Here's that angled steel I'm talking about. Just real simple, 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch, 14 gauge. I think these come in 3-foot lengths. You can get these down any hardware store, any big box hardware store. You can probably get them just about everywhere. They don't cost that much. I just had it laying around. Easy fix. That's pretty much it, guys. You know what? And I'll tell you, it looks like it was designed for that, so I'm pretty darn happy with it. You guys let me know what modification you've had to do to your car or truck to make things work right on it. To learn more about how to be prepared, be sure and watch this next video. Just my thoughts, Hill Country Prepper. How to mount, shit.